Hello, my Music Mind Games friends. I miss you so much. This is a lesson for Music Mind Games 1 and Music Mind Games 2. And so Music Mind Games 1, we are going to write some very simple rhythms and learn about time signature and meter. And for my Music Mind Games 2 classes, in your workbook, you have an exercise where you need to fill in some missing beats. Okay, so we're going to go over that too in this lesson. So the first part is review for Music Mind Games 2, and then we'll get into your lesson. And Music Mind Games 1, this is good for us to practice. All right, so let's get started. What do we see here? We see 2, 4. Sorry about the glare. And we see 3, 4. And 4, 4. Okay, and let's see if we can find some examples in music. I'm just going to grab some guitar music I have right next to me. Okay, let's see what we got. I have no idea. This is a surprise to me. Let's look very closely. Aha! All right, so we have a treble clef, key signature, followed by time signature. What is that, everyone? 2, 4. And don't you dare call it 2/4. It's not a fraction. It's 2, 4. So we found this one right here. There's just a glare. Sorry about that glare. Okay, whoops. Let's see if I can find one more piece of music, one more example. Let's see what I can find. Okay, let's look here. What do you see? I see the treble clef, key signature, boom, followed by time signature. And there we have 4, 4. So let's review quickly. Let's see if I can get rid of this glare somehow. Does that help a little bit? So we know that the top number tells us how many beats are in the measure, right? So if 2 is in the measure, we count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if 3 is at the top here in our time signature, we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 beats in each measure. And we know if 4 is on the top, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And if we're all together, we play past the beat, and we could pad our laps and practice pulsing these time signatures. Now, some of you say, well, what about 6/8? You know, or what about cut time? What about 2/2? Yes, okay, those are different than what we're looking at. So see what's similar about all these. We have 4 on the bottom. So let me tell you, when we have 4 on the bottom, which for us, for beginners right now, that's the most common. And 4 on the bottom means quarter note gets the beat. Quarter note gets the beat. And look, our gold coin is equal to 1 quarter note. And what I really like to do, if you guys were with me, we'd get our dry erase cards out and we'd write our 4, 4, and I would have you draw little lines, which I call parking spaces. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd have 4 parking spaces that we would need to fill up with 4 beats, and each beat would be equal to 1 quarter note. So here, oops, I'm missing all my gold coins. Here we would have 3 beats in each measure, 1, 2, 3, and then of course up here we would only have 1, 2. In each parking space. Now, real quick for my Music Mind Game students, so 6/8, 4/8, you might have seen in your music, it means 8th note gets the beat. You still count it the same, but 8th note is the beat, so that would be equal to 2 bingo chips. Okay, let's keep going. So let's go ahead and compose a measure. Piece of cake, really easy. We've been doing this. So a gold coin is equal to 1 quarter note. And would this work for the second beat? What do you think, guys? Yes? Boom. Okay, 1 measure. All right, let's spice it up a little bit for this next one. I might have to zoom out a little bit, you guys. Okay. Let's spice it up. I've got, ooh, whoa. Would this work? Let's see. An 8th note is equal to 2 bingo chips. The 16th note is equal to 1 bingo chip. So I've got 8th note, 16th, 16th, and we know 4 bingo chips equal 1 gold coin. Are we good? We're good. Okay, so for those of you that don't remember the name of this, this is a gooseberry. Gooseberry. Okay, let's keep going. What else can we put in here? What about this guy? I know I've got a hodgepodge of many different colored notes. Let's see. This is a whole note. We hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, he's too long. Let's get him out of here. Would this work? Yes? Yes. Okay. And we have one more beat we need to fill. Let's spice it up again. Let me make sure this is in the... Yes, it's fit in here. Remember what this is called? Pineapple. Gooseberry blue. Pineapple. 1, 2, 3. 3 beats in each measure, and quarter note gets the beat. That's why we have gold coins down here. Piece of cake, easy, all right? And let's do one more. Let's do this card, right? We see these on our blue Jello cards. We call this Jello Jello. So what is this equal to, guys? That's right. This first Jello is equal to a gold coin, and this second Jello is equal to a gold coin. So they take up 2 parking spaces, 2 gold coins. And let's fill up the rest of this measure here with what? Let's see. Oop. All right, for my Music Mind Games 2 class, and just something to spice it up a little bit for you Music Mind Games 1 students, check this out. This is the same as this pineapple, but instead of an 8th right here, we have an 8th rest, 8th note, 8th rest, but it's still, we've got pineapple, and instead of pineapple, we say rest apple. But remember, remember, Triplet breaks the rule. He's a total rule breaker. So instead of, looking for an 8th note, so instead of, right, we know that 2 8th notes are equal to 1 quarter note. So that should easily take up 1 beat, right? Take up 1 beat. So how can 3 8th notes be equal to 1 gold coin? When we write that 3 at the top, we break the rules and we squish 3 8th notes into the value of 1 quarter note. And because it has that 3 on the top, he gets to break the rules. Kind of bend the rules and squeeze those 3 notes in there so it goes by faster. Right? This sounds like Jello, 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 pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Okay, let's do this. Does this work? We've got some rule breakers. We've got all kinds of stuff happening here. Voila. So we've written 4 measures. We've written 3 measures in 3 different time signatures. Now, congratulations. Music Mind Games 1, if you would like to take a piece of paper and pick a time signature, and you can draw gold coins down at the bottom, or you could just draw parking spaces, and you could practice writing your own measures. You are done. And for Music Mind Games 2, let's continue. You're going to have in your homework some measures that are going to look like this. Just some empty spaces, and you're going to need to fill in these beats. So you need to look at the time signature, quarter note gets the beat, and fill it in, all on your own. Oh, why did I take the gold coins away? Sorry. Does this work? Let's see. 16th, 16th, and an 8th note. Is that equal to 1 gold coin? Yes, we are good. All right. I took away my gold coin. What can we put there? Something. You get to come up. Could we do this, guys? Could we do this? No, we could not do that because it's a dotted quarter, which would right? It would bleed into this next beat, right? It would flow and overflow into this next beat, and it would mess up our rhythm. What about this? No, it doesn't work. It's too short. It's only worth 1/16, one magic note. Okay, what is gonna work? Hey, Music Mind Games 2, does this work? Let's see. 16th rest, 16th note, 16th note, 16th note, and we know 4 magic notes are equal to 1 gold coin. Boom! We got it. Let's say this rhythm for fun, because it's going to be so much fun. We're in 3/4, 3 beats in each measure. This is a gooseberry, rustleberry, pineapple. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Gooseberry, rustleberry, pineapple, gooseberry, rustleberry, pineapple, gooseberry, rustleberry, pineapple. Fun. I wish we were together. And so we've got a beat here. Can we do this? What do you think? No, right? This would turn our measure into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would have to have 5/4 here, but we don't. We have 4/4. So, whoops. Sorry, didn't mean to bounce you. Let's see what works. Ooh, this is a fun one. Cucumber. So let's say this rhythm together. Ready, go. We're 4/4. 4 beats in each measure. Ready, go. Jello, jello, cucumber, jello, 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 cucumber, jello. Nice job, guys. So when you see that page in your workbook where you have those missing beats that you have to fill in, just remember this lesson. Remember all the stuff that we've gone over. You can do it. Miss you guys.